I am Jo. I am Apprentice of the Year in Hospitality. I started at the Albert as a waitress and a barmaid, and I have a passion for cooking, and then a job role came up and I jumped at the chance to accept it. Now I started at the bottom, but you know, I've worked my way up now to be a second chef now. My employer has been very supportive throughout my apprenticeship. They've always valued me as a member of the team. My assessor, John Harrison, we have a really good professional and friendly relationship. He's supported me and gone above and beyond to help me throughout my apprenticeship. My apprenticeship has helped me overcome some educational issues that I've struggled with. I've thoroughly enjoyed my apprenticeship. It has allowed me to have a career change later on in life. At the minute, there's no plans. I have worked really hard to get to where I am. I started off right at the bottom and now I'm the second chef, so at the minute I'm really happy in my role at the Albert. I was over the moon. I was really happy because I know how much I've worked so hard to get to where I am, so to be not skilled and now to be in a skilled role,